A pay dispute between players and the Jamaica Football Federation, which threatened to affect the Reggae Boys' preparations for their two friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia, has been settled. As Simon Preston reports, the agreement came after a meeting between both parties on Tuesday.
The meeting took place on Tuesday afternoon at the Holiday Inn in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where players pushed for a 100% increase in their match fees, up from $1,000 initially proposed by the Michael Ricketts-led JFF. TVJ Sports reached out to a few national players, but they declined to comment on the record. Their only response was that the meeting went well. They have agreed to the new match fee of $2,000 for each player who takes the field for the games, while players who only feature on the bench will receive $1,500. This is in addition to the $100 per diems. Simpson described the proceedings as a discussion and not conflict.
I do not see it as a dispute. I see it as players and the GFF having a discussion with regards to what they believe their remuneration should be for these two particular games. The players had submitted a position, the GFF agreed on it. Hopefully that holds until this project is concluded.
As it relates to training, Simpson says sessions for the next few days will be done via Zoom. This as another round of COVID-19 tests were done on all players on Tuesday morning.
We have settled at the hotel. We will not be doing any physical activity as a group. What we'll do is virtual sessions for the first few days, as the established protocol is that there should be no activity within that time frame. Our trainers are preparing a Zoom meeting with the players and technical staff to address that in particular.
Meanwhile, Ravel Morrison, who has now settled with the team, says he's excited by the quality in the squad and is looking forward to take the pitch.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, you've got players playing at the highest level. Do you know what I mean? In Europe, so like you got Bobby, you got Michael Hector, you got loads. You got there in the Premier League. You got Leon in Germany. It's obviously, like I said before, we've got a lot of talented players, so yeah, we should kick on really now.
The games are scheduled for November 14 and 17 at the Prince Faisal bin Fahad Stadium. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.